Yay, what up guys? Today we're gonna be doing some monkey. Today we're gonna be doing some monkey trolls and we're gonna see what happens, boys.
I don't give a fuck!
Wow, dude.
That's the thing. We ain't even down though. Hold on. I'm playing. He's trying to get the girls.
Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa.
Do you like post this shit?
Yeah, I do. I do more.
Do not post me. Do not post me, bro.
If that's what you want. Would you rather it not be in it?
I don't really care.
You don't really care? Okay. Because I feel like, I mean, you look great, so I don't think it matters.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Of course, like you look ugly as fuck. Damn. Damn, yo. Yo, you're looking bad as fuck. Yo, hey, this is a song that I would request you guys to listen to.
Dude, bro, look at her fucking teeth, bro.
Oh my god, you're right, I know you saw that.
Look at her teeth,
Ryan,
bro. It's fucking
Ryan,
black.
Ryan,
Her teeth are black.
Her teeth are black. Oh, fuck no! Hell no! I want to find some, like, actual, like, white girls. Like, some nice, like, white girls.
Each other some.
Hey, wait, I don't even care. I have a question. Can I show you something, please? And I wasn't saying I don't care to you guys.
Uh-huh.
I can? Okay. Hey, Alexa, restart that song. Just real quick. I just want to show you something. Because, like, it means a lot to me to get this off my chest for you guys. Because, like, I don't know. It just means a lot to me.
I knew it was gonna be one of these, bro. I saw way too many of these.
Hey, Alexa, pause.
You on stream?
Yeah, I am on stream.
Hey, chat.
Yeah, I got, like, 0 viewers right now because I'm not streaming, ugly ass bitch. Maybe after these on, I'll pull the hose. They won't skip.
That might be the key.
If we can find white girls, bro. Damn. All the black ones are gonna... Hey, I have a question.
Yeah.
Can I please play a song for like 10 seconds for you guys?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey Alexa, restart song. Just do it for like literally like 10 seconds, I promise.
She knows what's coming, bro. She started like...
Fuck you looking at, you fucking dirty nigger.
Damn, shorty. I have a question for you. So, how long have you guys went without listening to music today? So,
I
you
guess
said
zero.
what?
I'm listening to music right now.
Oh, for real? Well, guess what? I have even better music taste than you.
This one is a TikTok video.
Hey, Alexa, pause.
How you do that?
Okay, the last part 8 though. The last part 8.
The last part 8.
Yes. Mhm.
Okay, shit. Hold on, wait. How old are y'all? They were fucking 12!
Listen, we know you're here to see an 11-year-old girl.
She said she was 12!
Hey, how you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm honestly just chilling. I've been doing very great tonight. You guys? Hey Alexa, pause. Yo, the girl. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking messy with the girl on top. The girl with the red LEDs. You look pretty fine. Not gonna lie.
Thank you.
Of course, of course. Wait, how old are you?
14.